This electrical box is typical of the parts you would model in Autodesk Inventor's sheet metal environment. We model these parts using tools under the Create and Modify areas. Under Create we have Face, Flange, Bend, Fold, and under Modify, Cut, Corner Seam all the way through to Corner Round and Corner Chamfer. Let's see how we create a new part in this environment. I start with the template, click on OK, and we can see our standard sketch tools are available. I'm going to create a rectangle, not going to worry too much about the size, and then when I finish the sketch, the sheet metal tools are now available to me. Under Create we have the Face command, but a limited number as you can see, and under Modify only the Hole command is available. The key to all of the sheet metal tools are the sheet metal defaults. There are a number of them. Let's look at some examples. Under the rules here we have the thickness. Let's just change that. Don't forget to click on Save. There are many other areas in here such as the material. I can change that to aluminum. And as we look at the dialog box, things such as material, style, and unfold rule are set in this area. Now let's go ahead and create the face. I'm going to change the direction by clicking on Offset and then click on OK. Now we can quickly create flanges on this part. So I'm going to go to the Flange command, and everything is controlled by the defaults. Select an edge, select the second edge just to show what it looks like, click on OK. And you can see how the corners and the bends were created. Now let's go back to the electrical box and see how that was created. There are a number of the Create and Modify tools used, such as Face, Flange, Corner Chamfer, Hole, and Cut. Now let's move the end of folded part up and see how it was actually made. Starting with the face, then 3 flanges were created. Then we added a corner chamfer, a hole, and a cut. And finally, eye features were added. These eye features are areas that would be punched out in the electrical box as it was being built by the electrician. Now the all-important part of this is the flat pattern. So let's go to that flat pattern, and it folds out the electrical box for you. Now this is 2D data that could be sent to a numerical control machine containing important information such as the bend line. We can see the holes and the cuts. Now let's go back to the folded part, and we can see the finished electrical box.